You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, the name of this mountain range in the south of France. If you want to learn more names from France, famous places and useful vocabulary, stay tuned. French pronunciation, Alpilles. Alpilles, yes. I-double-L-E is pronounced E. Okay, the S is silent. So, Alpilles is a French pronunciation. If you're going to pronounce French, you can say Alpilles. Alpilles. It's easy. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.